Hello there, this is the top 5 tips and tricks to use the 55-5 method to manifest anything that you want. Hi there, I'm Christian and welcome here to How to Manifest Anything You Want. So what is the 55-5 method? How does it work and should you actually use it? The 55-5 method is simple. All you do is write what you want to manifest 55 times a day for 5 days, every day. So if you're ready, let's get on to the tips and tricks and how to make it all work. Tip number 1, find a quiet place. You must be able to concentrate while you do the 55-5 method, so make sure it's quiet wherever you are and turn your phone off or set it to silent completely. Tip number 2, write in the present tense. It's important that you must write your goals as though they have already come true. This way your conscious mind will convince your subconscious that you achieved the goal and your body will then make it happen. Tip number 3, pick a goal that you believe in. Pick a goal you believe in and which is personal to you. You'll be far more motivated to accomplish a goal that has deep personal meaning to you. Tip number 4, do not stop after 5 days. If after 5 days you've not completely manifested your goal, take a look and see what you did create, and remember that some goals take longer than others. Keep going, and every 5 days, look at your progress and reassess. And finally, tip number 5, be grateful for your progress. And lastly, it's very important to be grateful for any and all progress toward your stated goal. Remember that gratitude is the glue that brings the law of attraction together. So the law of attraction is truly amazing, and it can help you have anything you want in life. Do you want to learn how to master the law of attraction and get anything you want? You need to check out our website. You can learn how to manifest anything you want too. Just visit www.howtomanifestanything.info. Visit us today and be a manifestation master at howtomanifestanything.info. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and look out for more videos on how to manifest coming very, very soon.